2020 sucked, but your sales probably won't.
What's up, Alphas? Today I wanted to hop on really quickly and let you guys know, if you didn't already, that 2020 is about to get crazy.
So much crazy.
So unless you've been living under a rock for the last few months, obviously you know that there's a pandemic going on outside, and Mark and I have been locked inside of our coffee shop basement. Yes, we have. We have been locked inside of our basement. That's why it's so dingy. In April of 2020, Etsy announced that they actually saw more sales on the marketplace than they ever have in their history. And normally around April, if you've been selling on Etsy for a long time, you probably know that we usually don't get a whole lot of sales in the spring. There's no major holidays, there's no gift giving, and after Christmas, a lot of people just kind of want to save their money. But over the last few months, Etsy has been investing a lot of money into advertising the platform. We have been seeing TV ads. We have been seeing lots of off-site marketing. And we've got all of these shoppers who are now very aware that Etsy exists, because maybe in the spring they hopped on Etsy to find a mask when we couldn't find them in stores. They found one on Etsy, and now during the holidays, they're gonna start thinking, wow, this might be a really cool place to find a gift for grandma.
Etsy has more visibility than they have ever had and are continuing to get more visibility every single day. Everywhere that I go, that we watch the news or something like that, we're seeing advertisements for Etsy and for different products on Etsy.
Now, even if you don't live in the US and Black Friday isn't a big thing, if you live in the US, you're probably used to the craziness. So even if you're not in the US and Black Friday is not big in your area, I still highly recommend that you prepare for Black Friday. Normally we see shoppers storming into department stores and flocking out and running around with lots of things in their hands, but nobody's gonna want to be in close quarters with other human beings. And not to mention, a lot of retail stores are either not gonna be opening at all, they're gonna be opening late, or they're going to have a max capacity of people that are allowed in their buildings, which means a lot of people are going to have to wait outside. And I don't know about you guys, but I would rather just sit in my house, on my couch, in my pajamas with my laptop and do my shopping. And a lot of big stores know that as well.
So what does that mean for you? That means that less people are going to be shopping in person and more people are going to be shopping online. And a lot of major retailers are going to sell out of things quickly, very quickly, which means that a lot of sellers on Etsy are going to start selling things, and they're going to start selling out relatively quickly as well. So visibility is going to be up. Even for the little guy, it's going to be important this year to have your stuff on point, because people are going to be looking. More people than have ever been on Etsy, I guarantee it.
So this means that even though it feels a little early for Christmas, it is the perfect time to start preparing. Now, what I recommend that you guys really focus on over the next few weeks is planning your Black Friday strategy. So to help you guys out, down below, I have my Black Friday survival guide, which is the exact checklist that I use every single year in order to get my Etsy shop prepared for the holidays. Not only that, but with that, you're also going to receive my Black Friday double dip strategy video, which is actually recorded from last year, but this is the same strategy that I use every single year in order to run my Etsy sales. And we usually make around $6,000 or more on Black Friday in that 24-hour period on its own.
Now, Black Friday isn't the only thing to look forward to. You also have Small Business Saturday and you have Cyber Monday. However, that doesn't mean that you should skip out on Black Friday sales. You should still do Black Friday sales, and if it's looking good enough for you or you think you can continue on with the sales, go ahead and honor sales from those as well. Do Small Business Saturday, and if you can, extend it out, especially if you're a digital seller. Go out to Cyber Monday and do those sales.
And if you're worried about doing the same type of sale, just change it up. Maybe for Black Friday, you do a double dip. Then for Small Business Saturday, you do a percentage off. And then maybe for Cyber Monday, you offer a free gift with their order or some other incentive. You don't have to do the exact same thing, but I know that that's usually what's easiest for me. And it's easy to just extend out a sale that you already have taking place for Black Friday and extend it through the weekend up until Monday.
And Black Friday isn't just good for your business, it can be good for you as well, being able to upgrade any kind of tech that you've maybe been waiting to upgrade. I would also look at pre-Black Friday sales, especially at big tech companies, at places like Amazon and Newegg and places like that, because they do a lot of sales ahead of time, especially when it comes up to Black Friday. They'll do Black Friday sales, but the cyber guys, if you need label printers, new laptops, new screens, mice, keyboards, anything like that, Cyber Monday is going to be huge for that. But Black Friday, and especially pre-Black Friday sales for tech, is going to be big. So make sure you keep an eye out for anything that maybe you thought about upgrading but haven't quite nailed down on. This is probably going to be the year that you're going to want to nail down on.
Plus, in the US, those are all tech upgrades, which means you can write them off on your taxes so you can save money, and you've got a couple extra receipts to write off for 2020. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little bit quick, but we wanted to get this news out there as soon as possible. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Grab my Black Friday survival guide free PDF down below. That's gonna help you out a ton. And watch for more videos because we're gonna be doing a ton to help you get your shops prepped for the holidays. Not only that, but we also go live every Friday to answer your questions. So we've got a lot in store, guys. Enjoy and have a great day. Bye-bye.